I have a trane cleaneffects. The front door panel has 3 blinking red lights. Need to figure out how to fix it.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
A few weeks.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, I'm Tim and I'm an HVAC expert here to assist you with your questions. Thanks for the opportunity to help. Please provide all the information I ask for since I'm not on site. If you are not satisfied, I'd appreciate it if you tell me why before leaving a negative rating and allow me to continue to work with you until we are able to both agree on an outcome to follow. Thanks for your business. What is the model number, please?
Model hash, TFD21-2FR0000. All let me tell you what tests I have ran to hopefully save some going back and forth. To troubleshoot, I took the cover panel off the unit. I took out the filter, the charger unit, and the 2X honeycomb cells units. Then, I put the door back on. I pressed the power and reset button for 10 seconds to reset the unit. Then, I press the power and reset unit again for 10 seconds, and the first green LED comes on. Then, I walk away for a few minutes, and when I'm back, the 3 red blinking lights are already on. In other words, the 3 blinking red lights are on even when the charger cells, the filter and the cells are out. Hope this helps. Feel free to ask more questions.
On page 4 of this manual are the fault code retrieval instructions. This will help you narrow down the issue more.
Thank you. I have the manual. Please see the images below. The 3 red lights, they are blinking, and so does the dotted LED between the power and the reset button. That's my starting point. I follow the instructions, I press reset and power for 10 seconds, and I get the second result. Now what? That's where I'm stuck. Also, looking at the error codes, it might be repetitive arcing. What does that mean? Pics attached.
Bad cells. They are shorting out. Probably will need replacement.
Which cells are you referring to? The metal circular cells with pins coming out, i.e., field charger, or the honeycomb-looking cells? Also, how could you tell? Thank you very much for your help, BTW.
With the fault code you indicate, recommended services to clean collection cells and field charger, see page 1 of manual. If this has been done already, and still repetitive arcing, I would replace collection cells.
Thank you. I was finally able to get the fault codes. 2 things are happening: internal control lockout. 2 of last 3 faults are this one. Input current too high, 3rd fault. What steps do you recommend to address these issues?
Internal control lockout, turn power off, and back on. If same fault code comes back, replace door. See page 1, input current too high, clean collection cells and field charger, same as repetitive arcing. Check for arcing through the collection cell and field charger cases. I'm signing off for tonight. Let me know if you have additional questions on this. Even though the site has a deposit from you, it is not transferred to me until you positively rate my work. Otherwise, experts work at their own time and expense. Feel free to post back with any more questions. Experts prefer if you rate the question at the end of our first chat. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I reset everything, cleared error codes, and started all over. There is now only one recent error code, which is internal control lockout. You said, if this error comes back, replace the door. Do you mean throw away the current door and buy a new one? Please confirm. I looked online before posting here and couldn't find a replacement door to buy anywhere, hence the question.
Yes, that is what manufacturer recommends.
I need to double check a couple of things to confirm some stuff, and will award you the answer when I'm done. Should be tomorrow. Thank you for your help.
Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.